Hi guys, good evening. I was studying the whole of the afternoon. I came down to witness the sunset, and suddenly I was reminded of something 6 months back. Uh, I am still recovering from challenges, health issues, and also emotional turmoil which we all face in our lives. But I was reminded of continuously studying a book which has given me a lot of perspective, and I would like to share with you all. And that was the time I was going through a tough phase with my health, and I was running, but I was actually not supposed to run, and I was having a lot of black coffee that time, and I was not supposed to have. I apparently had gut issues, and I was in denial mode, understanding that my body needed rest. I need to rest myself from running. I need to give up coffee. So all those things were continuously telling on my mind, and I was emotionally very disturbed that time. How can I leave running and stay put at home? How can I leave coffee? How will I stay without drinking coffee? And I used to just look forward to having coffee. You can say it was some kind of addiction for me. But today I am so much better. It's been 4.5 months I have not run, but yes, I do miss running. I want to go back to running, but now I am more sane and wise, understanding what works for my health and what is needed at this time. And also I have completely given up on coffee, and I feel so much stronger. So I wanted to share about this book which I reading this book that time, and I was I was aware that I have issues in my body and my health needs to uh, be taken care of, and I need to do something differently. This book helped me a lot in stirring some kind of emotional turmoil in my heart and lot of things. So it brought me closer to what I was trying to ego by drinking coffee, by going for a run even when my body was literally tired. I had adrenal fatigue, a lot of stress, and emotions were all out of the whack, and still I was running. So this book gave me a lot of perspective, and today suddenly I was reminded of this book, and I got this book out and thought of just reading out something which I had written as notes. So I have read this book thoroughly, and I will go back to reading it again. So I will share something which I wrote here, and it's so beautiful. The center of your life is you. We often get mired by how others behave, say, or do something, and we base our reaction or response on the same. Truth is, you don't have to base your behavior on what others do. Your authentic power is within yourself, and you don't need anyone's good word to make you or feel good about yourself. It transpires from within you. Dig out all that is accumulated as a heap over your soul, and let it shine bright. So, and in this book only I have written somewhere that I know black coffee is not doing me any good, and I have to completely chuck it out. And then in this book, the writer talks in detail about addiction, about soul, about your purpose. And one beautiful thing which it says is that whatever you are going through in your life, whatever, however hard your life is, whatever hardships that you are facing, that is all meant for your purpose, for the purpose of your soul. So it is always beautiful if you accept gracefully whatever you are going through. I know it is not easy, I know it is difficult, I know your heart bleeds when you think of accepting things which pain you. But the sooner you accept it, thinking that there must be some reason, God has, energy has, universe has designed this plan for you, the more and more you will be able to move forward in your life. This is what I now go back and see. I was into a lot of challenges, physically, personally, emotionally, and then I had to just embrace it, accept it, and now I am in such a better place. I have clarity. I have such a beautiful mission of helping more and more people, bringing clarity in their life, helping them with something which can bring some kind of perspective in their life. So anyone who is listening to me right now and facing some kind of issues, challenges, and frictions, I am here to tell you that your pain has a purpose, and It is not for giving you some kind of punishment. Life is beautiful, and when you just explore the path, you will understand that all was the grand scheme, the plan of the divine. And the sooner you embrace it, the better and the more beautiful person you become. Stop resisting your pain and start embracing it, learning everything that it is trying to teach you, and also understanding that there must be something good in it for you, and see how that unfolds in front of you. Have a good day, guys. Bye.